Hey, Linda with Frailty Myths based in Brooklyn. Like a lot of folks on the East Coast, we're dealing with some really bad air from the climate fuel fires that are happening up in Canada. Unfortunately, we don't get a lot of guidance on how to keep ourselves safe. And as we know, we keep us safe. So I figured I would teach y'all how to make a really fast air filter from a box fan. To make a box fan air filter, pretty simple. You need 3 ingredients. You need some duct tape, an air filter, and a box fan. So you might be asking, Linda, how do I get a filter? What is that? Your first step is to take the measurements of your box fan. Box fans you can find anywhere, usually under 50 bucks. And you want to do top to bottom measurements, side to side, and then you'll figure out your dimensions. Mine is 20 by 20, and so I went online and I found a 20 by 20 air filter. These are going to be the normal filters folks use for HVAC systems, and so you can find them at any sort of hardware store or online. One thing you want to be conscious of is you'll see that arrow, it says where the airflow goes, so you want to make sure that your air filter is set next to your box fan with that arrow in the correct place. Your final step is to put your box fan on its face with the back of the fan facing up. You want to put your air filter that you purchased, that is a perfect size, on the top of it, and then you want to take some duct tape and just create a seal all around the box fan. I'm going to do that right now.
Beep-de-doop, doing stuff really quick. Look at me use duct tape. Oh!
This is the final product, all sealed up, turned on, and blowing beautiful clean air.